my god, that is so adorable.
Hi, baby. Yeah. Hi.
You're so huge and big. Ah! Oh, it's here.
Oh my god!
Boom!
Go. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I want to take a video of this cat.
Go upstairs.
Get a video of me too.
Hold on, I'm gonna do it on my phone. Send it to Kevin because this looks like his cat, but
I love this cat.
oh my god, he's
It's humongous.
so fat. Pick her up.
Okay.
Pick her up. Here, there's not. Okay, wait. Here. I'll pick her up. Here. Okay. Oh my god.
It's freaking out.
Oh my god, it's so big.
It's gonna explode.
Oh my, is it heavy?
Yeah. It's so heavy.
Come, it's okay, honey. Here, will you get the video
Yeah.
of me and that shit? What's his name?
I don't know.
Okay, here, just push record. Okay, it's okay. It's alright, honey. It's, hey! Okay, she's not letting me pick her up. Oh! Oh! Is she pregnant? Oh no!
You're at, it's still going. You're still going. Here, kitty.
Oh my
they're
god,
locked
is
in.
she,
Good.
is she pregnant? Oh, she's so scared. Oh. It's okay, honey.
Oh.
Corey, is she pregnant?
Who?
This. He is you. He's just that fat? Oh, hey. It's alright.
Hey, and I can't find the last one.
Hey.
Oh, we got them all.
Alright.
That's it for the last one. The last one's hiding.
It's okay.
Because he's a little bitch.
Meow.
Actually, I think I might know where he is. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Oh my gosh. Hi, baby.
Are you getting all his curves?
Yeah. Show them curves, boy.
I can't move. Whoa!
Oh my. What the fuck?
It's so big.
Lay down. Lay down. Oh, he feels picked on. Okay, here, take this. Take this. I want to take a picture.
I'm sorry you feel picked on.
Hey, hon. Hey. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Doesn't look that big from single though.
I know. When he walks, you can tell he's huge.
Oh my god.